Hi guys, this is the main showroom MCCV box, which is the main panel from where we are getting our power from the building, LT panel or HT panel, wherever it is. So we don't have the key right now, so I don't think we can open it. But this is the main MCCV box, which is connected to our main meter. This meter will indicate the power supply, how much we are taking power from this particular MCCV or from the building. So this will indicate what will be our electricity consumption and our billing. Okay, I'll just close this. Yeah. So these are our 3 dBs. This is the main power dB and our AC dB. So we do the numbering in our dBs like this. So we have P1, P2, P3. We go till P10. P10 is the DTM, the digital temperature meter MCB, and the rest others are our 3-phase MCBs and our AHU powers and our AC powers MCB. AHU1, AHU2, AHU3, this is the main MCB which is giving power to our AHUs. AHU starting from the start. AHU1 is in the exposed area. AHU2 here in the ceiling area. This is the main power which will give power to this DB. इससे DB on होएगा and off होएगा. AHU1, AHU2, AHU3 will get power from these. AC1, AC2, AC3, these are the 3 VRV ACs जो सीलिंग में VRV ACs लगे हुए हैं, ये उनको पावर देगा. P1, P2, P3 till P9 ये मेन पावर सॉकेट्स जो है हमारे उनको पावर देगा, which we have marked in the drawing. P1 will give power to automatic door, जो हमारे 3 ये doors हैं इनको पावर देगा. P1, P2, P3 similarly we have marked on all the sockets on this is the wall electrical drawing. इसमें हमने सारी मार्किंग कर दी है. यूपीएस के सॉकेट्स कौन से हैं, पावर के सॉकेट्स कौन से हैं, नंबरिंग भी उस हिसाब से करिए जिस हिसाब से हमने यहाँ पे डीबी में रखा है नंबर. ओके, कमिंग बैक टू R1, R2, R3 ये जो 3 32 एम्पेयर एमसीबी है 4 पोल. दिस विल गिव पावर टू दी 3-फेज कनेक्शन जो हमारे मेन कार चार्जिंग के लिए यूज होंगे. ठीक है, अगेन आई एक्सप्लेन द डीबी. मेन ऑफ द डीबी AHU1, AHU2, AHU3, AC1, AC2, AC3. This will give power to your ACs. P1 till P9 will give power to your power sockets, and this will give power to your outdoor unit, which is in the basement. Okay. Next DB is our fire exhaust DB and a fire dampers DB. There are 3 fire dampers in this showroom. 2 are in the starting entrance in the ceiling where we have done the grill cutting in ACP area, and 1 is in the workstation area. Then we have 1 exhaust fan which will get power in case of fire. If there is a lot of smoke तो उसको बाहर निकालने के लिए वो exhaust काम करेगा. So ED1, ED2, ED3, this is your damper 1, damper 2, damper 3, exhaust damper, hence ED. And fire exhaust is this FE exhaust. This will give power to your fire exhaust. This will give power to this DB. This will switch on and off this particular DB. So this is my power and AC DB. This is my fire damper and exhaust DB. Now this DB is my lights DB. This also has my UPS points because we have our emergency lights. जितनी भी emergency lights हैं वो UPS से on off होंगी. Normal lights भी हमारी इसी से on off होंगी. तो यहाँ पे जो UPS के points हमने लिखे हैं सॉकेट्स के, वो मार्किंग हमने नंबरिंग उसी हिसाब से करी है जिस हिसाब से हमने यहाँ पे नंबरिंग करी है. तो L1 till L24, these are all my light points, normal light points. This is the main of this DB which will give power to this DB. UPS points, UPS 1 till UPS 20, these are my UPS points. UPS sockets, emergency lights, everything. So according to these numbers, we have marked our numbers on our drawing as well. So L1 you will see is my logo point, जो हमारा starting में brand का logo लगेगा उसको पावर देने के लिए. Then हमारी track lights हैं L2, L3, L4, L5. सिमिलरली L6, L7 जो लूप्ड है, लूपिंग हमने उसको ऐसे मार्क करी है, जितनी भी लाइट्स लूप्ड है उन पे सर्कल कर दिया. ये सारी लाइट्स एक साथ चलेंगी जिस भी एमसीबी का नंबर है L7, L9, L17, L10 जो भी. फायर पैनल का हमारा पॉइंट है UPS 20. सो एवरीथिंग इज मार्क